as you probably know, the Seadoo Trixx it's like a dirt bike for the water, but it is really not meant for long distances. Caleb and Mason, their skis hold like 18 gallons of gas or something. Mine is only 8. So I definitely can't go as far as they can, and that's a problem for me because they like to tour, but I like to just have fun on the waves. So I've been figuring out how to actually make this work to go long distance with them, and I have taken a couple gas cans. They're vapor locked, so I can carry them in my hatchback with me here, and I can strap them on the back of the Seadoo Trixx. But I had some issues last year where it was scratching up the plastic a little bit with all the riding, and so I've actually like glued carpeting onto the bottom of my gas tanks now. So I haven't actually tried this yet, so when you see this video, this is going to be the first time that I'm actually testing this out. But I'm able to carry an extra 10 gallons of gas with me in 2 containers, and so that will put me right at 18 gallons, which is the same thing that they have on board their skis. So if they happen to bring an extra 10 gallons with them, then we've got quite a bit of fuel. So this is really going to work out this year, but one of the main downsides of the Seadoo Trixx is also it has like no storage at all. Like I can barely fit my phone in it. So the solution to that is to have friends who have a lot of storage capacity on their skis. Thank you, Mason, and thank you, Caleb. So Mason's new his new Yamaha has like 30 gallons of storage on it. So that's perfect for fitting all of my stuff. Now, your only downside to having all of your gas on the back of the ski is that it is quite a bit of weight with 10 gallons. So basically, it is going to weight the back of your ski down, and I wouldn't advise going with a second person on the back with the gas on there. That's really going to sink the back end of the ski down. But once you get up on plane of the water, you'll be just fine. It does take a little bit longer to get up on plane, and you have to go at a little bit higher speed before that happens, but it's fine. It's really no big deal.
That gas makes it hard to ride almost.
I know it does. It's fine once you're at full speed though.
It's like you whip it and it's like, bam.
Yeah. On the plus side though, if you're like me and you like to keep the trim up and have some fun a lot of time, you know, the front of the ski is going to come up even easier with all that weight on the back. So, you know, the Mason's way back there, and he's got the new Yamaha VX, and so he can have 18 gallons in the tank. So with 10 outside the ski and 8 inside, I've got the same amount of gas that he does, but in a smaller ski and one that can maneuver a little bit better.